Hey everybody, I'm Andy the Kenworth Guy. Thanks for coming by the channel today. So a really different video for you guys today. I know it's been a while since I've brought my typical videos to you guys. It's been really challenging for me to get trucks here right now. We're kind of in between getting trucks ready, getting trucks from the factory, and just a fewer amount of trucks than we're normally used to getting here. So thanks so much for being here. Today, it's all about Kenworth's birthday. So Kenworth turns 100 this year, and we're gonna be talking about the latest and greatest that Kenworth has to offer. So before we get into my talk, I'm just gonna run Kenworth's corporate video that they put out on the 100th anniversary. So let's check this out.
When you're a kid, you never really know what memories will stay with you.
Let's go!
What moments will shape your life. The experiences that we never forget. That fill us with wonder and spark our imaginations. When you're a kid, the world is big. We believe everything is possible. And dreams seem larger than life. We all have to grow up someday. And even though today we might be a little bit older, those dreams have never changed. Suddenly, it all comes back. The wonder, the joy, the magic, the chance to drive the world's best. And a family of drivers from around the globe. And at the start of each day, it's that simple feeling of being a kid again. We've driven hundreds of thousands of miles since those days. From coast to coast and all the roads in between. We've had decades of experiences while building our own memories along the way. But the road always leads us back together. This time, back to where our dreams began. A family tradition and a legacy of trucks, a century in the making. Here's to another 100 years on the open road.
All right, so if that doesn't get you pumped for what Kenworth is coming out with, I don't know what will, but I'm gonna try and explain some of the differences and some of the options that Kenworth is gonna be coming out with these limited and special edition trucks. So first and foremost, we're gonna talk about some of the options that are available on all of the truck models that we sell. Then we're gonna dive in a little bit on the T680 and what that special edition truck is gonna look like. And then last, we're gonna talk about the limited edition W900s. And then I'll talk about what I'll be able to offer to potential customers out there. So, cause I do have some trucks to sell for that. So, all right, so let's get into talking about what Kenworth is offering. So there is a new style of wheel that Kenworth is offering. It is an option on all of our trucks that we sell. It is not required on any of the limited or special edition trucks that we're selling, but that wheel, it is a 7-spoke wheel. It comes in either a Dura Bright or a Dura Black rim, or just a standard machine finish if you want. So there's some options there that you can get that wheel. So All right, so Kenworth is offering a T680 Signature Edition truck. There is no limit on how many of these trucks Kenworth is building. However, we are still in allocation, which means we're limited on how many trucks we can build. But any of the T680 build spots that I have could potentially be a Signature Edition truck. So with this, they're going to be offering it on the high and the mid-roof sleeper. They're not a serialized unit, which means they're regular serial numbers, but they're not in a limited production run. So there will be a limited availability on these trucks for just this calendar year that we're in right now. I can spec and order them as we speak. So what is going to be included in this? So there's going to be a Signature Edition Diamond VIT interior. So that is all black dash with red trim. There's a black soft trim with red contrast stitching. There's a brushed platinum dash and door trim that's included. There is also a Kenworth 100 anniversary logo on the sleeper back wall stitched in. And there is a 100th anniversary edition driver and passenger seat. So those are the GT703 ultra leather climate controlled seats. So they'll have air conditioning and heat option. You'll also get Kenworth 100 badging on the door trim piece, on the floor door piece, on the exterior of the cab as well. So speaking of that, on the exterior, we're gonna be offering the black onyx grille and the side air intake. I call it the spear, kind of running down the side. So actually, I painted a truck, the blacked out T680 video I did probably about a month or two ago. We painted the grille surround and that spear aftermarket. So I didn't realize that Kenworth was gonna be offering this on their Signature Edition 680s. So great idea, love it. So anyhow, you can order that. And then as far as the black anodized grille, you could actually get the grille in the blackout edition too. So if you wanna make that truck look really smart, that's one way to do it. You get 100th anniversary badges on the exterior of the truck. You can have an optional Kenworth 100th anniversary exhaust shield cutout with trucks with side of cab exhaust. And then, like I said, the black anodized grille is an option as well. So as we've been going along here, you can kind of see what those all look like. So that is a little bit about the T680. As of right now, I don't have any on order for any customers, but I do have some irons in the fire, and I'm sure later on as the year rolls out, I'll be able to do an in-person walk around and tour on that. So I'm excited to see that in person, and that is all about the T680. All right, so this is a little bit longer chat about this model. So the W900 we're building 900 of these limited edition trucks this year. We're offering the limited edition in an extended day cab, in a 72-inch flat top sleeper, the Aero Cab flat top, and an 86-inch studio sleeper. So that is the 3 different configurations, and that is 900 builds in total in those 3 different configurations. So it's not 2,700, it is only 900 of those. So there could be 10 or 100 day cabs sold in total, 272-inch, and the rest in studio, but a maximum of 900 of these trucks are being produced this year. That doesn't mean all W9s this year are going to be limited edition. It just means that there are 900 of these types of trucks available. Okay. This is not the last year of the W900. So I know I've been getting a million questions from people. When is the W900 done? What's going on with the W900? This is not the last year of the W900. It has not been announced. It's business as usual. So keep those orders, keep that interest in the W900 going. So getting back to this here, they will be serialized trucks. So like I said, 900 in total. They're limited to this year. And they're spread out from now. They started building them this week up until December. So I have a few build spots scattered throughout this year, not a lot. In this, I actually only get 3 trucks in total to sell for the whole year of these W9 limited edition trucks. So getting into the specifics of what we're looking at. So in the interior, it comes with a limited edition diamond VIT interior. So that is a black interior. You have red stitching throughout here and there. You get a brushed platinum dash and door trim piece. All black dash with soft trim is all in black on the dash. You have Kenworth 100 logo spelled out on the back sleeper wall. You have a special serialized badge on the glove box saying 1 of 900. For example, 444 out of 900. You get Kenworth 100 badging on the door trim. You also have a Kenworth 100 driver and passenger seat. So that is the air cushion premium plus high back seat. And it also comes within the bunk in the studio sleeper and in the 72-inch, you have to get the sofa bed. So it comes with the sofa bed with custom colors on the bed itself. So here's some pictures. Looks really sharp, really nice. I'm really impressed with how this has turned out. As far as the exterior of the truck, it is going to have a custom Kenworth 100 sun visor from the factory, so a little larger than the standard factory one. 100th anniversary Kenworth 100 badges on the bunk. They're going to have Kenworth 100 exhaust shield cutouts, and that is an option, so you have to choose if you want that or not. You can also get this custom paint design, so it doesn't have to be in these colors. So Kenworth has released 4 new colors for this this year, and we can order them on any truck. We have Centennial Black Red, we have Centennial Red, Centennial Gold, and Centennial Platinum, which is the silvery kind of color. So as you can see in this particular picture, this truck is black with the red and gold, to celebrate 100 years. So those are available right now, and you can order those trucks with any color design, color scheme. So I actually have 2 of the trucks that are coming are that paint design, but with different colors. So really excited to showcase how that is gonna come out. As far as anything else with the trucks, that is basically all the options that you're getting. And then as far as how that truck could be spec'd, your choice of engine, horsepower, your choice of transmission, rear ends, etc., tri-drive, so on and so forth. So if you are interested in getting one of these limited edition W900s, I have 1 studio sleeper available for sale at the end of this year. So if you are interested, for Canadian customers only, I can't sell into the US. A lot of you guys may know that. We could get that truck on order for you. So limited amount of trucks, 1, and it will be a beautiful truck. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That black flat glass that we've been talking about, that I'm really excited to bring out to you guys, is not ready yet. So that truck will probably be coming out in the next week or 2. Again, I apologize that I haven't been able to be as dedicated to bringing YouTube videos out to you guys. It really kind of bugs me, I'm being honest. It's been really hard to stay motivated to do it with limited amount of trucks that are coming in as well. So, but yeah, that's just the world that we're in right now, and not much I can do about it, so I'm not gonna complain. So thanks so much for watching. If you like Kenworth trucks, or you like trucks in general, and you wanna subscribe to my channel, I encourage you to do that. Just click in the bottom link here. If you want to check out my website, I got thekenworthguy.com. Lots of links to everything to do with Kenworth or what I do on social media is over there. So yeah, that's it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have yourself the world's best day.